In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways to make your first $1,000 with Systeme.io. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways to make your first $1,000 online using Systeme.io. But first, what is Systeme.io and how it can help people? Well, Systeme.io is a complete or an all-in-one marketing solution. Okay, it has all the tools that people need and you can join it for free. There is no credit card required to join it. By the way, guys, if you don't have an account yet, you can click the link below. Okay, so you can open a free account. Okay, this is a tool that have all the features and everything that you need if you're serious about making money online, having a real online business. Okay, they have different plans. The first one is that you can start with them 100% for free. Okay, is this one, as you can see here. Okay, is this one $0 per month. Okay, they also have this other one, which is a startup, the webinar, and the unlimited price, which is $97 per month. When I get started, with my online business, I have to pay for all the tools. I have to create a funnel, so I have a funnel builder. I have to create an email sequence, so I can do, automations, sending information literally 24/7. So my business can be working as it should be. So I was paying for that kind of tools. If you would like to have a blog, you will need to have a tool for a blog. If you want to have or create an online course, I have everything separate. But with Systeme.io, as you can notice, with the free plan, you're going to have everything that you need. Okay? Everything that you need. And if you need more things, for example, your email list is growing. Hey, the price is really affordable. If you need more funnels and all the stuff, you're going to get it. But literally, you can join and you can start your online business literally with the free plan. Okay. So this is literally what is Systeme.io. If you want to run a webinar, automate webinar, you're going to have the tool here in Systeme.io. So that's literally a tool that is helping people to it can be an offline business, but they want to have an online presence. If you want to have 100% online business, it's also going to be helping with you as well. So how you can actually earn money with this? Well, very first thing, you can become an affiliate, okay, on Systeme.io. As soon as you open your account, you are going to have your affiliate link, okay? You don't need to pay anything in order to be an affiliate. Okay, and one cool thing about their affiliate program is that you're going to be earning recurring commission. That means that you're going to be earning money month after month after month after month. But chances are that you are right now like, Diana, but how I'm going to be able to earn money if there is this free plan? Okay, how you can actually monetize this? Okay, remember that they do have all these other plans, okay? The startup, the webinar, and the limited. So if your business is growing, okay, and I'm going to be 100% transparent on this, okay? Let's say that you invite me and I'm like, using Systeme.io. I'm growing my business. I'm growing my emails list. Right now, I have up to 2,000 people to join my email list on the free plan. But if, you have more, you're going to have the opportunity to be part of the start plan. And that's how people are actually going to be paying, because they have an email list, okay, that they need to monetize, okay? And trust me, if you have an email list with at least 2,000 people, even less than this, you're going to be earning money, okay? You are going to be earning money because you can promote as many products as you want to your email list. And I'm also going to tell you that one of the tools that I'm currently using, I'm paying this amount per month with just one of the tools, okay? And you're going to have the opportunity to start for free, and you can have the opportunity to grow your business with Systeme.io, okay? And remember that people are going to be keeping the tool, so you're going to be earning money month after month after month, month after month. Okay, so now that you are an affiliate, I'm pretty sure that you're wondering, like, then how do I actually promote Systeme.io? Okay, I'm curious. Which are the strategies that you suggest? Which are the strategies that you're using? Well, the very first thing is that you can do a tutorial. Also, you can do a review about Systeme.io. For example, I have my YouTube channel, and you're gonna notice that I have different videos. For example, I have this one in which I'm showing people how to build a profitable sales funnel, and the tools that I'm using here is literally Systeme.io. Okay, so if they want to replicate what I'm doing on the tutorial, they need to create a Systeme.io account. If you don't want to be on camera, maybe you don't want to to open a YouTube channel for whatever reason, okay, you can write an article. It can be a blog post. Okay, you can create your own blog, and remember that that's something that you can actually use here with Systeme.io. Okay, even with the free account, you're gonna have the opportunity to create one blog with literally unlimited blog posts. Okay, so you can start blogging about Systeme.io, about how it's helping people with their business. It doesn't matter in which niche or which industry they are. Okay, so you can do it that way. You can do a tutorial. It can be a video tutorial. You don't need to show your face if you don't want on the video tutorial, or you can actually create a blog post. Also, you can go and promote on LinkedIn. You can create an article on LinkedIn. You can create an article on Medium. Okay, so these are actually ways in which you can actually use it. It can be also a review as well. Okay, another way is by sharing a funnel. This is actually very practical, and this is a strategy that I've been using in the past. I create a funnel, okay, because you have the opportunity to create a different funnel without any kind of technical knowledge. Okay, and let's say that you have someone who is on network marketing, or maybe you have a dentist, okay, and you're telling them like, hey, I have this funnel that I already created. Literally, I can share it with you with literally just one click. Okay, for example, I have this funnel here. It's a 2-page funnel. Okay, and this is a funnel that I'm giving away for free to my students in my Spanish program. Okay, so literally they're gonna grab this funnel, okay, and they can clone it. I have other funnels that I already built on Systeme.io, and as soon as someone use it, they are gonna be cookied to me. So Systeme.io is also helping me because I'm helping them. Okay, and this is another tool that you have, another resource, okay, that you can share a funnel. And remember, this can be used on any industry. Okay, if you are like, hey, you know what, I can be targeting architects, so I'm gonna be creating a funnel based on their needs, or I'm gonna be sharing information with accountants. Okay, that also it's an strategy. Okay, so really simple, really easy that you can share a funnel. Okay, you can also share a lead magnet. Okay, in my case, I have this lead magnet, which is a free ebook in which I'm teaching people stuff about affiliate marketing, and one of the things that I'm telling them is that there is a tool that they can use. In this here I have the tool, which is Systeme.io. Okay, so as soon as they are reading about it, because there are people who prefer to be watching content on YouTube, there are others who prefer to be reading it. Okay, they can click on there, and that's also gonna have my affiliate link. Okay, this is another resource that I'm giving away to my students. Okay, and this is a way in which I'm actually helping them with their business, helping them with to grow their business. Okay, and have resources that they can use, that they can model. Because again, for example, I have my ebook on Canva. Okay, I have some students that they use it, not my ebook per se, but my layout. Okay, they model what I have there, and they put their own information. Okay, so this is actually a great way in which you can actually grow your business with Systeme.io. Remember, if you don't have your account yet, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Also, guys, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link. It's going to be in the description, but also I'm going to be leaving it on the pinned comment. So you're going to have the opportunity to learn more about affiliate marketing, learn more about other products in which you can earn recurring commission. That means commissions that you're going to be earning month after month after month. Okay, so this is for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.